Okay, I put here cleaning provision.
See, the wall is provided, the water is provided for cleaning. How you take the action?
Cleaning provision.
Any,
It's lifting by host.
no, but there is any service water connection is there?
Service water connection.
Connection is there?
Yeah, this is the one that we said. They have mainly sludge holding tank. This is the one that you can put. Well, you have the most.
No. This blockage is there.
Yeah.
How you clean the space? You need a service water.
For
Clean
what?
it.
No, you have to lift the screen up.
So for cleaning also you need a water. How you?
We have. Okay.
Utility water.
Provide it.
We have. Come down. You just in the way that you come down. We have hose reel. Yeah, this is the one.
Hose reel is there.
Yes, we have.
Put that one.
Yeah.
Already
Tank
considered.
provision to the strainer. Okay, 301.
Put this side.
Okay, we'll put it. Yeah.
Instead of course, it will give a connection and put some company that will be.
That will be easier.
That will be for people you bring a cargo.
Okay, I have covered here, so I remove from here. So that's okay. So guys, now we are here. We are saying after that the flow will go with the pump. Yeah, we'll see review on more flow later. So now we pump is trips. So we say high level here and no flow here. Running pump. What is pump number? P301 ABC. P. Guys, I need your help. P301. 301 A B C.
You can help engineer. Give him the number.
Yeah. I mean potential high level. Potential high level.
Okay, APC about food switch.
No, we've done it. High level, potential high level in the tank 301. Tank 301 leading overflow and less flow and no and less flow. Less flow to system. Yeah. So in this case, I'm considering same severity. LSH. What is LSH here? LSH 301, right?
It's right.
So the same, you are having the same tag number.
All same number.
No, it's not correct. It's not correct. Huh, madam? This is same number and this is same number. LSH 301.
Actually, in the revision, this is the.
You
Yeah. The first one.
should be done for the numbering.
Yeah.